This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. All individuals mentioned are presumed innocent until proven guilty. The analysis reflects legal commentary based on publicly available information at the time of the publication. Yesterday, inside the Pretoria High Court, the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial took a decisive turn as tension escalated and the courtroom shifted into one of the most critical phases of the case. What unfolded was no longer just a continuation of testimony, but a direct legal battle over credibility, consistency, and the truth itself. At this stage, the question is whether the version presented in court can survive pressure. From the moment proceedings resumed yesterday, the atmosphere was tense and confrontational. Legal team engaged in sharp exchange. Interruptions came early and objections followed quickly. The pace of the courtroom was disrupted as both sides pushed aggressively to control questioning. This was a court under pressure where every word mattered. The defense strategy. The defense aimed at dismantling the state's case by exposing inconsistency and challenging the reliability of the witness. Every response was tested to create reasonable doubt. If key witnesses are weakened, the entire case begins to lose strength. The state's response. The prosecution pushed back firmly, raising objection and defending the integrity of their witness. Their goal is to maintain credibility and prevent the defense from reshaping the narrative. The judge steps in. The judge intervened multiple times to maintain order and fairness. This signals the court's efforts to ensure the process remains structured and focused on the truth rather than tactics. The real battle. The trial has entered the phase where evidence is tested under pressure. Cross-examination determines credibility. Consistency strengthens the case, while contradictions introduce doubt. Legal analysis. This phase often determines the outcome. If reasonable doubt exists, the accused must be acquitted. The defense seeks to create doubt, while the states work to preserve credibility. What this means going forward. For the accused, everything depends on whether the state case survives scrutiny. Weakening the witness credibility could collapse the case, while consistency strengthens the likelihood of the conviction. Conclusion. Yesterday marked a turning point. The defense applied pressure, the state resisted, and the judge maintained control. The outcome will depend on which version of the event survives the legal scrutiny. That concludes our analysis. Thank you for watching the sim. If you found this breakdown useful, consider subscribing for clear, factual legal analysis. Until next time, stay informed.